Hey guys, I am Saurabh Patel. Have you ever wondered, even though crypto is decentralized, it is still deeply affected by what the Fed does? No, don't worry. In this video, I am breaking down how Jerome Powell and the US Federal Reserve affect the crypto. But first, who is Jerome Powell? Jerome Powell is the chairman of the Federal Reserve, which is basically the central bank of the United States. He plays a huge role in deciding interest rates, controlling inflation, and managing liquidity in the economy. First, the Fed controls how much money flows through the economy. Think of the economy like a garden. If you give it too much water, it grows fast but might overheat. And here water is money, then it will be inflation. If you cut off the water, things dry up and then there will be recession risk. Let's see how actually they do it. Quantitative easy, that is QE. QE is when the Fed adds money into the system to stimulate economy. They buy government bonds that pushes interest rates down. It increases liquidity, makes borrowing cheaper, investors take more risk, crypto, stocks and real estates all goes up. So crypto loves QE because it is more cheap money flowing into the risky asset. QE is bullish for crypto. And then quantitative tightening, that is QT. QT is opposite of QE. The Fed sells bond, they stop buying them. That pulls money out of the system. Interest rates go up, liquidity dries up, investors get cautious and pull money from risky assets like crypto. So crypto hates QT because less money is equal to less speculation is equal to lower prices. So QT is bearish for crypto. Let's see second, interest rate. Powell and the Fed also control the Fed fund rate, which affect all the other interest rates. When rates are low, borrowing is cheap, people spend more, invest more money flows into crypto goes up. But when rates are high, borrowing gets expensive, people pull back on spending, investor moves money into safe asset like bonds, and crypto goes down. So every time Powell says something like, "We are keeping rates higher for longer," the market reacts instantly. Every time Powell speaks, especially during FOMC meeting, the market listens. Even one sentence can cause a huge dump or pump in crypto. Example, if he say, "We are seeing progress on inflation," the market may expect rate cuts soon and it will lead to crypto pump. But if he says he will need to fight inflation aggressively, the market fears and tightening and crypto dump. Bitcoin can literally move thousands of dollars within a minute of his word. So let's see next, the US dollar index DXY. Fed policy directly affect the strength of the US dollar. A weak dollar makes Bitcoin more attractive. A strong dollar usually pushes crypto down. When the Fed rate hikes, the dollar strength and the bad for crypto. When the Fed cuts rate or does QE, the dollar weakens and it is good for crypto. Big investor divided market into two parts, risk on asset and risk off asset. Risk on asset, which are crypto, stocks, tech and real estate. Risk off asset like bonds, cash and gold. When the Fed is dovish, that is easy money, it is risk on time and crypto rallies. When the Fed is hawkish, that is tightening policy, it is risk off time and the crypto dumps. Even though Bitcoin was made to be independent of central bank, right now it is still behaves like a risky asset. Let's quick recap what we learned in this video. First, QE, quantitative easing. It is more money, low rates and it is bullish for crypto. And QT, quantitative tightening, is equal to less money, high rates, it is bearish for crypto. Jerome Powell's words can instantly move markets. Strong dollar is equal to crypto down, weak dollar is equal to crypto up. And then crypto still reacts like a risky asset to Fed policy. So the next time you hear Jerome Powell speaks or see FOMC meeting trending on Twitter, pay attention. It might just decide whether your crypto portfolio is pump or dump. Thanks for watching. I am Saurabh Patel. Drop a like if this helped you understand the Fed's impacts on crypto.